Hi everyone, here's the ice cube. Just going to draw a basic cube and then add tonal shading, light, medium and a dark tone. First things first, just draw around the perimeter of the cube. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then don't forget to put the dot in the middle. Take it away, put a pencil and dot in the middle. Line corner to corner, and then pencil on there, check your alignment, job done. Okay, so we're going to add light source from the left. Now we can do this just using two markers, because one surface we're going to leave white, and that'll be the top surface, and then this left surface, my left, going to be a medium tone, whereas on the right hand side it's going to be a dark tone. Okay, so here goes. So when using this marker, you have to be really quick. You can rotate the paper while you're doing it. Just keep inside the line, a little bit of a gap, and leave a little bit of a bleed. And the feature of a marker is it blends together. And although initially it may look a little bit, well, some brush marks in or pen marks in there, when you let it settle, almost looks like a bit of a reflection where it kind of fuses, blends together. Okay, now you might want to let the paper dry a little bit and then add the dark tone, which is on the right hand side. Again, the key is start from the bottom, work up, rotate the paper through an angle and go to the other side. You can change the ends and use the tip to get into the corners. Okay, and there you have your basic cube.